What is up, guys? It's NEESYRAYCHELLE and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see down in the description box, today's video is a updated natural face makeup routine. So this is like the face that I do like on not an everyday basis, but like if I'm going out to run errands or like just going to the mall or something, this is the makeup look that I would do. It's very simple. Anyone can do it. So let's just get into it. Oh yeah, and if you're not subscribed, please do that now. Like, go ahead, subscribe now before you even get into the video. All right, guys, so the first thing I do when I am doing my natural face is I do moisturize. So I've already cleaned my skin using the acne bar from Ethelin's and the Dermalock spray from Ethelin's. Then I go in with my Fenty Skin Hydra VIZOR. I really like this moisturizer for my face, and I'm out of it, so that's why it looks like I'm doing the most, but I'm like scooping it out of the jar, man. Like, don't ask me how I got this low, but it did last me a long time. So put my moisturizer on. So my next step after I moisturize, I do put on my sunscreen. I use the COPPERTONE face sunscreen. This one is SPF 50 and it is oil free, so if you're oily like me, this works for you. I live in Florida, so sunscreen is definitely a part of my daily routine. The sun, I mean, it's not always out, but the rays are always there, so make sure you apply your sunscreen. Next, I will be doing my eyebrows using the Morphe micro brow pencil. This is in the color Java. After putting on my brow pencil, I do go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the color 410. The way I've been doing this now is just kind of lining it there. And then I go in with my flat brush and do my brows. Alright, so if I was actually wearing eyeshadow, I would bring my concealer down onto my onto my eyelid, and then apply a setting powder over it and do my eyeshadow. But usually on my natural face days, I do not wear eyeshadow. So because of that, my next step will be to put on my foundation. Many of you know this already, but the foundation I wear is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the color 430, and I just applied this with a beauty blender. So now that I have my foundation applied all over my face, as you all could see, I did not put a lot of foundation on, for the simple fact that this is a natural face. So you don't want to put on your foundation too heavy. That is one of the reasons why I like the Fenty foundation, because it is buildable. So now I'm just going to go back in with that Pro Filter concealer and conceal under my eyes, down the middle of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Now that I have concealed, I'm going to go in with my Morphe Bacon Set Banana Rich Powder and go over those sections of my face that I did put the concealer, just to set it in place so it doesn't crease throughout the day. While that sits, I do like to go in and contour my nose a little bit. I don't do it a lot because it's a basic face, y'all. We ain't trying to be out here looking like cake face, runway ready. I'm just trying to, you know, be a little natural. So I do use the Glamour Bronze Morphe palette in the color Leader to do my contour on my face. It is a powder, a pressed powder contour bronzer palette. So that's what I'm about to do. Now I'm going to go in with my blush. I am using the Juvia's Saharan Blush Volume 1, and the color I'm going to be using is Toby. It is an orange color, so I do like it when I do my natural face because it's not, you know, too out there. So as you can see, I do brand that across my cheeks, but also the button of my nose, just to give some color in that area. After I do that, I do go in and highlight my face. Jesus, y'all, I feel like I'm on the edge of the chair. I go in, I highlight my face, and I do use the Juvia's Place. I do this every time. The Royalty One highlight on my face. I have not actually used a lot of this because you don't actually need to use the powder part. Like, you can literally, like, look at the top. The top is like full of highlight. So that's all I ever use when I do my face. So the areas of my face that I actually highlight are the button of my nose. I do go in between my eyes, my cheekbone, and my Cupid's bow. After I do those areas, if it's too much, I do go back in with my fluffy brush. This is the contour brush from, who are these people? Real Technique, and it's number 207, but today I did not overdo it, so I'm gonna leave it alone. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my dots on my eye. So like, a lot of people always ask me like, what's that on your eye? Like, did you get like stones like put into your eyes, and or do you have holes in your eye? I'm like, no, it's just eyeliner. It's white eyeliner in dot form on my eyelid. So I try to be very, very still when I do this. because it's very hard. But those are the dots. It's really just that simple. That's all I'm doing, y'all. Like, so for those who are asking, that's it. White eyeliner, you make a little dot and you're done. So now I'm going to go in with my Lancome Lash Idol mascara. I am almost out of this stuff. I can feel it. I can feel that I'm getting low. So do that on my top and bottom lash. And as y'all can see, my lashes have grown so freaking much. Like, they were bad, y'all. And now before I put on my actual lash, I'm going to set my face with the Set and Refresh Mist. Starberry scent by Morphe and Jeffree Star. I actually got this on sale, y'all, because I usually use the Matte and Fine Continuous Mist Spray. But I need to make a Ulta run and I haven't done it yet. So we're going to use this because I still have some. And it does smell like strawberries, y'all. So if y'all were wondering, yeah, strawberry is the scent. So now I'm going to get my lashes together so that I can put them on. And you do have to let them get a little tacky first. So I'm gonna let them get tacky before I apply them. Well, I'm gonna try, because y'all, I don't do well with letting it get tacky. I be throwing these things on, they still be wet. But it works. It works. So while I wait for my lashes, I do go ahead and put on my Agave Lip Mask by Bite Cosmetics. This is the one, if y'all watch my vlogs that I keep talking about, they done went up on the price on it. I really just don't remember paying $20-something for this. I don't recall. But I do really like it. It really helps a lot. So still waiting on my lashes to dry. Y'all, the longest process. So the hand oil I just used is by My Business. This is Chic Beauty Bar and Boutique. And this is our cucumber melon oil. I don't actually sell cucumber melon anymore, but I still had some left. So that is what I use to moisturize my body with, especially after the shower. It's the perfect time to put it on. So I think our lashes are dry enough, because honey, they're dry enough for me. Y'all really let y'all lashes get tacky for real. Don't do what I do, because then you have glue all over your eye and whatnot. Perfect application. So because I'm just running errands, I do like to put on like a little spray, not a lot, just something very light. So I do use the Idole spray by Lancome. This one has like a floral, it's like floral but not like real strong flowery, because I don't care for flowers like that, y'all. Like, I don't like flowery scents, so that just, but this one smells really good. And actually, let me look up the notes on it for you all. Okay, so this one has Redolina flowers. It has the scent opens with citrusy top notes of bitter orange and mandarin. So I think that might be why I'm okay with it, because though it has that redolent of flowers, like you don't catch a lot of it, you get more of that citrusy side. So I do like this scent for me because it smells good to me. So just to top off the Natural Beat Errands Run, I do put on my Apple Watch. I have a rose gold metal band on my watch, and I throw on my earrings. I'm a hoop girl. I love hoops, so I always have on big hoops. And depending on where I go, I will put my rings on. I'm not going to do that today. And that is the complete look. I usually just have on like some leggings and a t-shirt with some sneakers. And it's raining in Florida today, so today definitely would be a sneakers day with my raincoat and probably like a fanny pack or something. I wouldn't carry a bag just because of the weather. And yeah, so that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget to share with your family and friends.